everyone, tonight I'll be making honey lemon chicken. What all goes into the honey lemon chicken? 1/2 cup honey, 1 stick plus 2 tablespoons butter, melted and divided, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1/2 cup flour, 2 teaspoons paprika, 1½ teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 3 to 3½ pounds chicken cut into pieces. I'm just using pieces, which you can do. So I have 2½ pounds of thighs here and 2 pounds of drumsticks. So it'll be a little bit more than the 3½ pounds. So I may or may not use all of that. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 400. Take a 9 by 13 pan, dump in your 1 stick of melted butter. Set that aside. Take a small bowl, dump in your remaining 2 tablespoons of butter, the 1/2 cup of honey, take your 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and mix that well. And that honey made my butter congeal up, but that's okay. We'll mix it all up and set that aside. As you can see, there's a little bit of butter particles. I'm going to set it over by the hot part of my oven and it will melt, at least I hope. So take a shallow bowl, combine your 1/2 cup of flour, then add your 2 teaspoons of paprika, your 1½ teaspoons of salt, and your 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and mix that all up. I'm going to remelt my butter for just a few minutes. So I have my melted butter here. I did reheat it up in the oven so it was melted. You take a piece of chicken and you cover it in the flour in all sides. Shake off the excess and then lay it in the buttered pan and roll it until all sides are covered in the butter. And then put it skin side down. I'll finish that up. So take your honey lemon chicken, put it in a 400-degree preheated oven for 35 minutes. So after 35 minutes, take and turn your chicken over. And I did put all of the 2 packages of chicken in here. So then take your lemon honey mix and spoon that over each piece of chicken. And then put it back into the oven for 20 to 30 minutes or until no longer pink, or internal temperature 165. So here is the honey lemon chicken, and rounding out the meal is mashed potatoes with the honey lemon sauce drizzled over it. Let's see what Dave thinks.
It almost like a sweet flavor to it there for just a second.
It's honey lemon chicken.
That would explain it. It's very good. I like it.
Recipe deals for Easy Meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.